I have some resin already pre-mixed and a great idea. Earlier I made these earrings and it made me think if I use these smaller ones and then I added this, it would be a cute little dangle. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna find a way to make them hang. I'll probably just do a jump ring this time. I think jump rings are easier than my last attempt. It just took too much work, in my opinion. We're gonna clear this out, get it nice and clean and ready for our resin. Make sure it's cleared out. Okay. I have this pink I made from earlier. I'm going to use it because it's not going to take a whole lot in these molds. This one's done. This one's going in. This gorgeous earrings. All we have is the backs. And I decided that I'm going to add posts to the back of these, and these are going to be post earrings, and then I'm going to find a way to connect a jump ring at the bottom, and that's how we're going to hang them. So I just decided that one while I was waiting patiently. It is one off. So we have this as our finished, but we're going to flip it over, and I want to try to add jump rings. First thing I'm going to do is make my jump rings flat and make them even. There we go, flat, flat, even. Perfect, these two. I didn't think I needed that much. Yep, that's pretty much it. So let's take it out. Under here, it's just a little bit of just a push to break the seal. we're just gonna bend it, not bend it, we're just gonna take our pliers and go around it. It pretty much just knocks off the thin little bit of resin. My preference is smaller jump rings, but whatever works, right? If I had smaller jump rings, it would look better, but I got what I got. So I did it. I changed to smaller jump rings, and I'm so much happier with these. They're super pretty framed dangle earrings.